I had Ganama in a Wodio Tom. Ndiyamakadzi Munada na Prince Benza. Adawana Ganama Yamakadzi na Prince Benza. Awana Ganama Yamunada na Mkosi. Awana Ganama ke ya ine yako verera. Ke go surface anepo ndi Ganama ine Zulu. So guys, I'm just gonna play these 3 clips. The Ganama. You guys will tell me which one hits harder. If you are dope. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Check this out. Ganamas. Oh, Ganami. Wow. Hey.
And I went to Wanda. Nandi Cholangami and a Sangata Mucholo Sikotanama.
No pizza, no toma, no toma. Sinto sami so mucho.